to my channel, and if you're new, then welcome. I'm sitting outside Five Below, but they don't open till 11. But I figured I'd just come out here real quick and tell y'all, like, obviously I took my locks down, but I just could not do it no more, y'all. So y'all, if you saw my retwist video, you know what my hair was looking like before I retwisted. If not, I'm gonna insert the picture right here. But it looked a mess. And in one of my vlogs, like a while back, I was saying I was tired of looking childish, and the locks just was not helping the situation. And if my hair was not freshly done, it just looked a mess. And I was just like, no. Like, I just was not feeling it, y'all. So that's like the main reason. That's really like the only reason why I took them down. So I don't got much to say. I don't regret it. And it just is what it is. So yeah. But yeah, y'all, it's almost 10:30, so I got like 30 something minutes to kill before Five Below opens. So I'm gonna head to Trader Joe's because it's literally like across the street. So yeah, I'm about to head there. And then last time I went to Five Below, I was, well, not Five Below. One time I was at Trader Joe's and I was looking for some cabbage for this recipe that I was trying to make, and they did not have no cabbage. And I don't think I've ever seen no cabbage at Trader Joe's. So I'm about to go there and try to get everything I'm looking for, which I don't even know what that is. But I'm gonna go to Trader Joe's and try to get everything I need. And if they don't have the other stuff I need, I'm gonna go to Kroger. Yeah. But yeah, literally, I'm already gonna be at Trader Joe's once I turn this corner. This is how close it is to Five Below and all this. Baby, I'm finna go. I'm gonna get a ticket like a motherfucker. I bet the fuck not. I really did just turn when that light was red. I hope I don't get a ticket, y'all, because if I do, I'm just pay it. So, they packed. Okay, yeah, so I definitely just spent too much money in there, but it is what it is. One of my favorite things to say, because I mean, what else can you do? I was tired of eating the same shit though, y'all, and like when you want to get different stuff, it just costs so much money. Like, seafood costs so much money. Shrimp costs a lot of money. Salmon costs a lot of money. So, but I just could not. Did that car move? I could not keep eating the same shit. Like, my taste buds were craving for something different. So, I had to give them what they wanted. But no, it was this recipe I saw on Facebook, and it was like cabbage soup, and it was let me get out of her way. It was cabbage, corn in there, shrimp, and some other stuff. I didn't get everything that was in it. I didn't even know y'all fell down. But I got the cabbage, the shrimp, and that was it. Cause Trader Joe's don't got no corn. They had cabbage, but they don't have no corn. Like, what? And then that other little sausage meat that was in there, I was like, yeah, I don't really want that. So it's just gonna be cabbage and shrimp, y'all. So okay, I got what I needed out of there. I just had to get a phone charger because I dropped my phone yesterday while I was on the charger, and the charger broke off inside of my phone. So I had to pull it out with some tweezers. So yeah, now I'm about to head home. And my hair keeps getting rained on, but I think it'll be fine. This jacket don't have a hood on it. And I have my umbrella, but I'm like, I don't want to put an umbrella out just to walk like 10 steps to the door. So yeah. Damn. Okay, y'all, I'm just about to get ready to cook my dinner for tonight. I'm cooking this brown jasmine rice because this is the only rice that I can cook. Like, I've tried to cook white rice so many times, and I don't understand why it don't work. But I'm making this, and I'm also making some stuffed salmon. I didn't prefer stuff. This is my first time ever trying it, but my sister really liked it, so I let her have my other little piece that I had cooked. But yeah. Okay, y'all, so to cook my salmon, I just got my butter, my salmon, my garlic salt. I got some regular salt, some pepper, the baby spinach, the cream cheese, and my garlic. Okay, y'all, and once my rice started back boiling, I just put the top on it, and then I let it cook on low for like 40-45 minutes. Okay, so I decided I'm not about to tell y'all step by step what I did, so y'all can just watch the fast forward version. But it's really simple, so yeah. Hey y'all, so I just want to come in my vlog from yesterday. I didn't do nothing today. I went to work. It's normally my off day, but I went to work. I had a good day and I worked out. I took my gel polish off. Ooh, looks raggedy, but I did that and worked out, took a shower, and just cooked this shrimp. And y'all know I made this rice yesterday, and I got some tea, and I'm about to finish the second episode of Lupin. So, see y'all in my next video.